Yes, student, today we're going to learn how to construct a triangle in which base means the measurement of the base of the triangle. One of the base angle is given and sum of two sides is known. So let us take an example. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 5 centimeter, angle B is 60 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 10 centimeter. If we're going to draw the rough sketch, we have the base BC equal to 5 centimeter, angle B is 60 degree, this will be point A. The sum of these two sides will be equal to 10 centimeter. Means if we add the measurement of both the sides, we'll get 10 centimeter. So let's see how we're going to construct. First of all, following the rough sketch, we have to first draw the base, that is BC equal to 5 centimeter. So first we're going to draw base BC, that is of 5 centimeter. So using the scale and the pencil, we have to draw a line which is of 5 centimeter and let us name it as B. C, it is 5 centimeter. Then angle B is 60 degree. Angle B is 60 degree. So we have to use the compass for drawing the angle 60 degree. Just open the compass a little bit, means a little measurement we have to take the in the compass. Draw an arc keeping it at point B. We get a point on the line, make a cut. This first cut is of 60 degree. Now joining this point with the point B, produce the line. We don't know the measurement of the line, we just have to draw a line. We have to draw the line. Now the sum of two sides is given 10 centimeter. At this line we have to take the measurement of 10 centimeter. So either you using the compass you can make a cut or take the scale, just mark a point taking the measurement of 10 centimeter. So here it is giving 10 centimeter. Let us mark the point as X. We did not get the point A. This is not point A. This is the point X, Y, Z, whatever you want to take. Now what you have to do, join the point X and the point C. Now the main process for getting the point A. First of all, we have to join it using the dotted line. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. For this the process is that just open the compass, keep the compass at point C. The compass should be half the measurement of the line and make an arc on the both side of the line. You have to make an arc on the both side of the line. Then at the next point X, make a cut at the arc. The same way on the another also make a cut. We get 2 points, one is over here and one is another. Join these 2 points, we will get the perpendicular bisector of the line XC. Dotted line you have to draw. So what we are observing, this dotted line is passing through the line XB. You have to check at which point it is intersecting. So it is intersecting over here. This point will be the point A. We'll get the point A over here. Join this point with the point C. Make a plain line. So this is the required triangle. You can measure it and you can check whether the measurement is, this is 5 centimeter and AC is also equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 plus 5 means 10 centimeter. So this way student, we can construct a triangle in which the base angle and the sum of two sides are given. Thank you.